How to buy iTunes gift cards online. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Chrome browser in your mobile device and in the search bar, type in apple.com. Now once you land on this interface, navigate to the menu bar at the top. From there, tap on search icon. And in search icon, type in iTunes gift card. Now from the search results, tap on this option that says Apple gift card. Then tap on buy. Now scroll down a bit and then you have to choose how would you like to send the gift card to. You can either choose email or your mail. Here I will choose email, and under that you have to choose a design for your card. So choose a design and then scroll down a bit. And there again you will get an option to choose an amount. The amount will range from $25 to any other amount that you would like to add. You can choose $25, $50 or $100, or if you like to add other amount, simply add in other amount. Here I will go with $50. And under that you have to enter the delivery details. So first of all, type in the recipient name to whom you would like to send the cards to. And under that, type in the recipient valid email address. Under that, you have to type in your name, or that's basically the sender name. And again, type in the sender email address. Make sure the email address is valid. And under that, you can add a personalized message. Tap on your message and then simply tap on a message that you would like to send it to. Then tap on save. After you're done with all of this, then tap on add to bag. Then tap on checkout. Now if you have an Apple ID, you can simply enter your Apple ID, or you can continue as a guest if you don't have an Apple ID. So tap on continue as a guest. Now you have to choose a payment method. Either you can choose credit or debit card or PayPal. Here I will go with credit or debit card. After that, you have to enter your card information. First of all, enter your credit or debit card number. Under that, the expiration date. Under that, your CVV number, and scroll down a bit. Then provide your billing address. Provide your country or region, your first name, your last name, your street address, and other is optional. Then you have to add zip code, city, state, and furthermore contact information. And once you're done with that, tap on continue to review. Then review your information, and after that tap on order. And then the order for your gift card will be placed. So that's how you can buy iTunes gift card online. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.